Welcome to our channel. Imagine buying your dream home, and 3 years later, your mortgage shoots up by $1,000 a month. Another homeowner sees their payment jump from $1,900 to $3,400 overnight, just because of taxes and hidden costs. What nobody tells you is that buying a house today can feel less like building wealth and more like walking into a financial trap. If you are new here, please subscribe and hit the like button.
Buying a home has always been called the ultimate dream. But in today's economy, that dream can quickly turn into a financial nightmare. Why are mortgages skyrocketing by $1,000 or more? Why do some homeowners regret buying instead of renting? Today, we'll break down the hidden traps of homeownership, especially when buying new construction, so you can make an informed decision before signing that mortgage contract.
Why are mortgages skyrocketing? Mortgage rates aren't fixed forever unless you lock in a long-term fixed rate. Interest rates have more than doubled in recent years, and if you're on a variable mortgage or your fixed term ends, your payments can suddenly increase by $600 to $1,000 per month. Example, a family bought a home in 2020 with a $1,900 payment. 3 years later, that payment shot up to $2,900 purely due to interest rate hikes, not because they borrowed more money. This is not always explained clearly by mortgage brokers or banks.
Homeownership isn't like renting. Many people believe that owning a house is just like renting, except you build equity. Reality: owning comes with unpredictable costs, property taxes, repairs, insurance, and rate hikes. Unlike renting, your monthly cost can increase unexpectedly. Plus, you can't just pack up and leave if the cost becomes unbearable. You're locked in, sometimes for decades.
Why 30 years of debt? A 30-year mortgage is essentially 3 decades of financial commitment, often costing twice the original home price due to interest. Ask yourself, are you ready to commit to a loan that long, especially when your life, job, and economy could change dramatically?
Hidden traps of buying new construction. Trap number 1, property tax shock. In the first year, you're taxed on the land value only. Sounds cheap, right? But once the city reassesses the full value of your new home, your tax bill can double or triple overnight, destroying your budget. Many first-time buyers are blindsided by this jump.
Trap number 2, seller doesn't always have your back. Developers and sellers want to make a sale. They don't always prioritize your long-term interest. Some leave out future costs or maintenance issues you'll face once you sign the dotted line. Trap number 3, mortgage payment explosion from property taxes. Example, a buyer's mortgage started at $1,900. After taxes and reassessments kicked in, their payment climbed to $3,400 per month. That's almost double the expected cost, and for many families, it's devastating.
Trap number 4, testimonies of regret. Some homeowners openly say, "If I could go back, I wouldn't have bought. I'd have rented or moved to another apartment." Real-life stories prove that dream homes can become financial prisons if you're not prepared. Trap number 5, financial readiness. If your mortgage takes 30% or more of your income, you have no freedom left. A single job loss, emergency, or interest rate hike can put you in bondage to your home loan.
Trap number 6, renting isn't throwing money away. Renting gives you flexibility, fewer unexpected costs, and freedom to move if expenses rise or the neighborhood changes. You're buying freedom and stability, not throwing money away. Trap number 7, avoid becoming house poor. If more than 30 to 40% of your income goes to housing, you're considered house poor. At first, you think you can handle a couple $1,000s a month, but add taxes, insurance, maintenance, and unexpected bills, and it quickly becomes unmanageable.
Trap number 8, new home, no inspection needed. Many assume that a brand new house doesn't need inspection. Wrong. Builders make mistakes, and some cut corners. Without an independent inspection, you could inherit plumbing leaks, foundation issues, or faulty wiring that cost thousands later.
Homeownership can be a beautiful thing, but in today's volatile economy, it's not a decision to make lightly. Ask tough questions, demand transparency, talk to honest homeowners who've been there, and make sure you're financially prepared. Remember, a home should bring you freedom, not financial bondage. If you got some insights from this video, please hit that like button, share, and subscribe for more real talk about money, homes, and financial freedom.